So our question for today is, how do I customize the math program in my grade? Can I do that after I check out, or how do I do that before I check out? How does that all work? And Pearl, can you answer that for us?
Sure. So there's pretty much 2 steps in doing that. First is to decide which math level is appropriate. And so Math UC has a fantastic range of placement tests to help you determine exactly what level your child should be in. So let's say, for example, your child is going into 2nd grade. That would typically be the beta level, but they have some catching up to do. They want to switch back to the alpha level. You go to our website and you do the custom kits, and that's a very easy swap to then change out from Math UC beta to Math UC alpha. If you have any questions about that, you can always email us or call us. We can always help you do that. So whether you do it on the website or by emailing us.
So our placement test will be on our website underneath the Math UC product. And then the custom kits, if you go to the top of our website and it'll say Timberdoodle's Curriculum Kits, and it'll say Customized Kits, and you just want to click on that, find the grade you're looking at, and it'll walk you through the customization process.
Yes, exactly.
All right, thanks guys.